got it.
Get the mic on.
Yeah, I got it. I'm not a truck guy, but this car is really nice. What are you doing?
You good today? You're moving? We got a tractor?
Oi! What are you doing?
Look at Mickey in it.
I don't know.
Bye!
Bye, Dan.
Bye.
Thank you.
No, I need a ladder to get in this car.
Let's see Mickey get up this.
Get on you, Nick.
This
Truck is too big.
The real thing is we can't U-turn here. Why?
You need to figure it out, T.
Did you smell that?
Getting hard.
It's too early.
I'm still trying to figure out what's
Vlogging up here.
When the sun rises, so does my pee-pee.
That's what you
is
said.
what Kevin says. I don't know where he comes up with this shit, T.
Let me see your toes, Calvin.
Huh?
Let me see your socks.
What are you? Oh, yeah. I wear gloves on my feet.
What the hell's wrong with you?
What do you mean, what the hell's wrong with me?
I thought I knew you.
Well, clearly you didn't. Look at my toes,
Oh, trust
baby.
me, there's a lot you don't know
People
about
actually spend money on things like that?
I have toe shoes.
You're weird.
What kind of socks do you wear with toe shoes?
None.
Toe socks, baby.
I think driver's meeting is in 2.5 hours, 3 hours, something like that. We're 2 hours out. Today is practice day of round 2 for Top Drift. Mentally getting my head in the game. We have a long drive ahead of us. Everyone's gonna fall asleep, so I'm in it for the solo run. Hopefully we have a good day.
I mean,
I hope that's a dollar bill.
yeah.
I'm gonna get you
How much do you need?
DJ, where do you work? Fucking strip? Where did you go last night?
Someone did this to me,
Where did you
and
go
I just
last
had it
night?
sitting in my.
How much do we need to count out?
250.
What? Oh, that's perfect. It's 250 right there.
Wait, I can count it though.
I double count. Mine is exactly what Taka had to do.
Can you do it?
Yeah. I'm feeling confident.
Can you hit that number 1?
Number 1's the
You're having a
easiest.
hard time with it.
No. Oh, no. That's my easiest spot. We showed up just a little bit late, but we caught the end of the driver's meeting. We saw the line for the first time. Round 1, I got kind of unlucky with the line. I had no experience with it. It was like completely a new layout for me. But we just saw the new line for horse thief, which, as you guys remember, we've been practicing this for the past like month and a half. And it's like nearly the same line that I've been practicing. So I'm feeling pretty confident. All the same inner clippings, all the touch and goes, all the outer zones, all the decels is what I'm very comfortable with doing. So as long as I just get my head on straight and have a good practice day, I'm feeling pretty confident for a competition tomorrow. So we're gonna start unloading. We have a lot to do. Zach wrapped his 350, so I'll let him debut it. Zach,
Yeah,
you want to tell everybody what the color is on your car?
it's called Intense Fuchsia. It's like a purple base with kind of like a pink sparkle flake in it. So when it hits the sun, it's like super pink.
Intense.
I like it. It's dope. It's almost like purplish.
It's like, yeah, it's weird. It's like a color changing kind of.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
I got some bad news for you. We're not doing very well today. TJ's in his head. The car's not working right. The PSI, we couldn't figure it out. So he's gonna go out there and try 40 PSI. At the moment, he's running like 30, 35 PSI, and he's fighting the car. It's too grippy. He's gonna attempt to ride on 45. I also have good news. Kevin and I are getting food. We didn't eat at all this morning, so we need to figure that out. And at the gate,
I'm grumpy. Your boy's grumpy, dude. Hangry?
nobody's eating. I think TJ just needs a little food in his stomach, so Kevin to the rescue, driving the, what is this car? Titan?
Titan XT.
Titan, the Titan. We're driving the Titan to a gas station to figure it out. This is the new Supremium truck, Extra Premium. Extra Premium went bankrupt, so we rebranded and now we're Supremium. Go figure it out. Go find us where we could sell our Supremium memes. Oh my God. We just bought
10 chicken sandwiches, baby?
10 chicken.
10 of them.
10 chicken sandwiches.
And how many tacos? I don't know.
And I think 14 tacos, baby. For all of those people that are like struggling because they're spending all their money on their cars, $1 for 2 tacos, I don't know about you, but I think I could live off of that.
You spent like $8 on 14 tacos?
Yeah, how are you gonna complain? It's tofu too as well, so like, or so, it's soy. Well, there's meat and then there's soy. But anyways, it doesn't, oh, what is this? What is this grandma doing? Kevin and I are so happy now. We usually never end up getting food or really late and we're all angry as fuck at each other. So now that we have some Jack BOiZs, I hope TJ feels better, you know? Hopefully he figured it out by the time we get there. We'll see. Kevin will show you guys.
Practice run that we had today, I've never had this happen before. I went down to do my big transition into the big bowl and my car over boosted, my ECU shut off and I did a 360 on the track and almost wrecked the whole entire car. Somehow I was able to keep it on track. So I've been kind of fighting the car all morning. I had to refine my tire pressures, but I just went out there on a practice run and did 2 solid runs back to back. I had a new pressure that I'm really liking. I'm feeling good. I don't know how much you got of that, Kev, but
I got the 2 runs. I got the 2 last runs. They were
yeah,
good.
I felt pretty good on them. I don't know how it looked for you guys, but like I felt super solid, so I'm feeling pretty happy after those 2. I was in a pretty shitty mood this morning, because when I don't drive well, I'm in a bad mood. I feel really solid with those 2 runs. So we have literally 5 more hours of practice days, so we'll just keep it at our own pace and just keep going at it and just remember to have fun. But fuck, dude, that was awesome.
TJ, figure it out, man.
Can you tell them where we are?
We're on the hill.
Calvin and I found a hill.
Not from inside the car, Kevin, you have to go outside.
It's so hot outside, dude.
I'll be waiting for you in here, baby.
So our practice day went really good.
Nah, not really.
I'm feeling super confident.
TJ wasn't doing
we,
that.
Left.
He wasn't doing
a couple
that.
hours early
He
to go
wasn't-
home to get out of the heat. Can you get out of the shot, man?
Is that the latest hunting pill bag? What is that?
Yeah, Kev, you don't want to show him that.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's pre-released.
Oh, okay.
You're so annoying.
She really straight up said you were annoying.
Yeah, but it caught me by surprise. I didn't expect something like that to happen to me, so I was speechless.
So you're like, well,
because no, in my head, I was like, she's being genuinely serious, and I was like, okay, but like, it's within character.
I mean, I tell you you're annoying every day.
No, but like no.
So she walks up to you.
This is what you do. Your little music starts playing, right? You'd be like, our boys been back in the hotel. It was a great day. I started off really frustrated, but when we got the tire pressure down, 43 PSI by the way, remember that. It was all good. It was just a tire pressure, the car's running great, I was doing great. You know, I felt really good at the end of the day. You know, Mickey's over here been farting every 10 minutes.
Can't hear you.
Every 10 minutes, dude. What is He's got
That airplane because of you.
I snore. That's what happens. You know you do that, right? You have that little music playing, and you get all serious.
Kevin, that little music playing is the iconic soundtrack when you know the video's ending.
And then you're like, just bringing it back home, boys.
Bringing it back home just like a...
You have your little 10-minute inspirational talk.
Not true.
It's true.
When was the last time you watched the video? Because that's not even close.
Yeah, Kev, when's the last time you watched the video? That's gonna do it for today's video. It's only 8:10 right now, and I'm gonna finish editing up this vlog and then probably get into bed. Hopefully before 9 o'clock. We're waking up early tomorrow. Don't shoot that at me.
You didn't hit the lens.
No, please don't hit the lens. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I will see you bright and early tomorrow. Peace out. And keep
I got boob everywhere.
moving forward.
And I'm feeling